Be quiet. Stop. Oh. Hello, I'm your host of Treehouse Madness. I'm about to smack that alarm clock down there. Stop laughing at me. My mom hasn't got me new pajamas since I was 5. Oh.
And whatever comes our way, yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind.
Okay, I'm about to smash this annoying alarm clock. Superman needs to sleep. So, the Crush team is about to drop Smash right now, so let's back up. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! Smash is dead! Okay, well, I guess he got his sleep too. But the alarm clock didn't break that bad, except some, oh man, it's really muddy and the top fell off. So, I mean, this is why alarm clocks are bad, because they never die. But I got one idea. I'm your host for Treehouse Madness. If you want anything to be seen on our video, then put it in the comments below. See you in the next episode of Treehouse Madness.